Welcome back everybody. Today we're looking at percentage discounts, taking a percent off either a number or a price. And we're going to do that looking at these three steps. Step 1 says divide by 100. Step 2 says multiply by the percentage value. And then we're going to subtract from the original price. So let's have a look at what that looks like and what that means with question 1. Question 1 says 25% off of 68. So we have a value of 68 and we're trying to find what 25% off this price would be. So our first step said to divide by 100. So we're going to get this original value of 68 and we're going to divide it by 100. But why? What's that going to do? Well, if we divide this 68 by 100, what we're actually doing is we're finding what 1% of its value is. And there's an easy way to do that. We can get our 68 and we can simply move our decimal 2 places to the left. So at the moment we've got 68.0, but if I move my decimal 1 and then 2 places, I would end up with 0.68. So 0.68 is 1% of its value, but we're not looking for 1%, we're looking for 25%. So how can we get our 1% to 25%? That's right, we're going to multiply by 25. Now this might look very difficult, but there is a bit of a trick for multiplying by decimals. We're actually going to just ignore the decimal for now, and we're just going to multiply 68 and 25. Let's do that really quickly. So my answer is 1700 or 1700. But don't forget, I originally was working with decimals. So what I have to do is look at how many digits are after the decimal place, and in this case I have 1, 2 in this number, and none in this number. So there's 2. So what I do is I bring my existing decimal, which is just here, and I have to move him 1, 2 places. So my new decimal would be between the 7 and the 0, making my answer 17. But we've not finished yet, because 17 is 25% of 68, not 25% off 68. So we have to do our final calculation by getting 68, and we're going to subtract 17, and that's going to give us our total. 8 subtract 7 is 1, 6 subtract 1 is 5. So after my discount, 25% off of 68 would be 51. Let's look at example 2. Example 2 is now dealing with money, but that doesn't change any of the process. So step 1 says divide by 100. So I'm going to get my £84 and I'm going to divide it by 100. And 84 divided by 100 means I move my decimal place 1, 2 places. Therefore my answer would be 0.84 or 0.84, £0 and 84 pence. So this 0.84 is 1% of £84, but we want 15%. So therefore we must multiply our 0.84 by 15. 0.84 times 15. Now I'm going to do a bit of a shortcut with this one, and I'm going to think about my 15. I'm going to partition it into a 10 and a 5. And I can do 0.84 times 10 and then 0.84 times 5. And I know that 0.84 times 10 is pretty simple to work out because I can just move my decimal point 1 place to the right. So I end up with 8.4. But remember, we're dealing with pounds, so we want to put our pence properly, which will be £8.40. And then to find what 5% is, well, 5% is just half of 10%. So 5% will be half of £8.40, which is £4.20. I can use my mental maths. Now if I just add these two together, 0 and 0 is 0, 4 and 2 is 6, 8 and 4 is 12. So 15% of £84 is £12.60. But remember, I'm not done because I'm trying to work out what 15% off £84 is. Let's find a little bit of room at the top here. £84 subtract £12.60. So 15% off of £84 is £71.40. Okay, let's look at things to remember. First, we're going to start by finding what 1% of our value is. And we're going to do this by dividing it by 100. Once we get what 1% is, we can then multiply it by the percentage that we need, and then finally subtract this amount from our original number to get the discount percent. Okay, here are 2 questions for you to have a little look at. Take your time, press pause on the video and see how you get on with these. Put your answers in the comment section, I'm going to mark them all. And there you have it, that is finding the percentage discount of a number or a price. Hopefully this video was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to see you in another video, but for now, peace out.